Donald's backstage here. Let me introduce to you Big Guns Joe. Come and join me, Joe. After your big top contract match. Tough night for you out there tonight.
Yeah, it was the big top contract match. Yeah, and, it's meant to be for debuts. Yeah, again, Wrestle Carnival. You know, they give me the opportunity. Yeah, and but it's meant to be for debutantes. And am I a debutant, Jonas? No,
You certainly are.
No, I'm not. I've been here for ages, haven't I? We've had this conversation before. But how did it go, Jonas? Honest, just how did it go? What happened?
Joe, it wasn't your night, I'm afraid.
That keeps happening, doesn't it?